Welcome to my channel where magic happens. Mix the resin, mix with care, color swirling in.
Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is a collaboration for Valloween for the Friendship Express train. So the Friendship Express train is a wiki collaboration except the second week of the month, which is a themed collaboration. And this one is a Halloween. So that is when you mix Halloween with Valentine's Day. So let's see what we can come up with. So I'm gonna do a little mixture of colors here. I think I'll leave it with this one here, and then mark paints and a little bit of black, because of course we want that sort of bloody color on it. All right, so here goes nothing. And this little board, I bought it in Kmart here in Australia. And I will fast forward this so as not to bore you all.
Is someone there? The moon hides behind its veil of cloud. Footsteps echo way too loud. They're watching me. They never flee. The night's alive. Run or stay with you, sir.
So this needs to dry, and you can either leave it for a few hours or you can help it along with a little bit of heat. All right, so I'm going to leave it. It's almost dry, but I'm going to leave it to sit there for a little while before I come into it. Because I also don't want to put stickers onto it while it's hot. And I'm going to add this little sticker to it. Okay, so let's have a look. And now I'll take this one off. Yep, I'm quite happy with that and where it went. I'm going to do a top coat of resin in it, and we'll see how we go. I think I will do this on it. check that it's level. I think that that's as far as I can go with it. So it's a very easy make, really. And I prefer to do this with this, because sometimes it's hard to actually get it to spread properly with this stick. So this way it spreads quickly and too much without having to have too much on it.
Roll through the midnight air, a creak, a crack. Is someone there? The moon hides behind its veil of cloud. Footsteps echo.
Get my little torch and torch the bubbles away. All right, now this is just some glitter from Resin, and I'm going to go around the edge of it. To embellish it up a little bit more.
Candles flicker, their light turns thin. Walls are closing, they're closing in. Spider webs clutch at my trembling hand. Every shadow hides a ghostly band. Hold your
It's very simple, but it looks very pretty. Okay, bye for now. Okay, so while it's still sticky, I'm going to add a couple of flowers in here. And I might go this way and this way. And then because they have to be the right color. And there wasn't much that was the right color. All right, I think that that will do it, because I don't want to overdo it. But it's a very simple make, but it's very pretty. And these, I got all these little flowers into more. And we might do one top coat more on it. All right, bye for now. Okay, so Now we need to do a top coat in it, right? So I'm gonna do just a slight sanding in the middle, not anywhere else, so that the resin has somewhere to grip. In here you don't need it because it's rough, but in here you do. Okay, so we'll get cracking.
Whispers crawl through the midnight air. A creak, a crack. Is someone there? The moon hides behind its veil of cloud.
Now, to make sure that you have covered everything, what I do is I look against the light. If you have a window, that's great to do that because you can see exactly what you have done, and whether you have covered all of it or whether you haven't. Which is what I'm doing because I've got a window just here. Easy make for beginners. Looks beautiful. All right, bye for now. And here is the finished piece. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Doesn't cost anything and it helps my channel grow. Bye for now. Stay magical. Remember, we all have magic in us.